Do you guys want to know how to do light leak effects and transitions within Premiere Pro just like this, or like this, or like this, all without having to download any plugins within Premiere Pro within seconds? Well, let me show you how. Okay, so we're in our project and we're going to click onto video transitions, and then we're going to first click onto the essentials. There is only one in here, which is a light leak sort of transition. And we're going to click onto flash impacts. So you're going to click on this and you just drag it onto your sequence in between the two clips, drop it on there. You can move it a little bit before, a little bit after, put it where you like. And let's take a look at that. See there, sort of flash transition. And what you can do is you can extend that so it's a little bit longer or quicker. And then what you do is you click onto the actual transition, and then you have all these parameters here that allow you to change how this works. So each of them do, a different thing. You can ease the transition in, you can ease it out. So how harshly or smoothly it comes in and out. Dissolve time, how long the dissolve takes. The intensity, so how bright it is in the middle, right? So where it makes that sort of change, how bright that is. So make it brighter, lighter, the blur when the transition happens, the glow amount. There's so much you can change. But what you can do is you can click on that, you click surprise me, and it will automatically generate random amounts. But you can see there it kind of loses the leakness to it, right? The light transition there. The way to get that back is just to increase the intensity back, and that should bring it back. Yeah, there we go. So another thing with these transitions is you can Command C to copy it, and you can paste it anywhere. So if you find a way of this transition that you like, you can paste it anywhere that you want to use it again. So if you click onto Film Impact Lights and Blurs, and if you click onto Flare Impacts and you drag that over, here you have the sort of classic, light leak, blur. Say you wanted to use this one in the middle of a clip, just clip it in the middle. You can click on that, Command C, you can paste that there. That'll just be in the middle of your clip. And again, let's just click another surprise me to see what it is. Very different. Let's do one more, surprise me. Wow. We can also change this, custom points or angle. I'm not going to fire around with that. We want easy. Oh, nice, like that. Hey guys, a quick note from our sponsor, which is me. I have made these laser engraved bookmarks for videographers and editors just in time for Christmas. You know that you do not have enough money to buy someone a camera for Christmas. You do not have enough money to buy them a lens. Do you buy them a lens cover? No, buy them a videographer and editor inspired bookmark, which I have made to add to the community. We have ones here which are the tools within Premiere Pro with their shortcuts and their description as to what they are and what they do, as well as giving you guys the exact file structure for your exports, what to name them. You can find these in the description below, and I'm really grateful if you do buy one and support me and what I'm doing here. So next we're going to look at the glow impacts. Drop that in. Okay, so simple. Let's see what it allows us to do. Surprise me. Nice. Do it one more time. Surprise me. So now we're going to look at light leak. Drag that over. Nice and quick. I'll probably slow that down a little bit. Drag that out. Awesome. So let's do surprise me, see how that looks. Interesting. Surprise me one more time. Let's see what we got. Nice. So next I'm going to show you this one I think is called Phosphor. This isn't really a light leak or transition, but it is something similar to photography and lights and burns. So let me just show that to you now. Drag that one in. This is going to do that sort of classic burn effect. Transition, again, all within Premiere Pro. Click on that, click on Surprise Me. Let's see what it pumps out. Oh, we didn't have the burn along the edge. Surprise Me. It's more of a wipe really, but I'm showing it to you guys anyway. You can also change the ease in and ease out, so we can increase those so it's like kind of smoother as it transitions. So the last one we're going to look at today is Solarize Impacts. Drag that in, let's take a look. Interesting, it's kind of like a full screen blur then, reminds me of Terminator 2. Oh wow, you can change it to different colours. This looks like a detective show there. Black and white. Nice. Do one more, Surprise Me. Then we'll look at the parameters. Really interesting. Let's do that one more time. Cool. Well, there you have it, guys. That is how you can do light leaks and light leak transitions or light effects within Premiere Pro super easily, all using Film Impact. And if you've enjoyed this, please do like and subscribe. That will really help me out. I'm trying to grow this channel. And also check out this video where you can see how to do some other cool transitions using Film Impact.